And in collaboration with the partners from Africa Continent, Kenya Medical Research Institute has obtained 7 billion to fund an HIV vaccine research program. African scientists will be facilitated in developing a viable vaccine candidate based on previous trials, thanks to funds from U.S. Agency for the International Development 5 years program. Purity Nelima now reports.
The processing of creating an HIV vaccine has been accelerated by 7 billion shillings from the United States Agency for International Development Researchers. ACHIM will now bury their heads in the lab to advance and create an African-led HIV vaccine candidate.
This has been a big shot for us to be able to reach the target in a very short time, because funding is really very critical for us to be able to get this.
This project has been funded for 5 years. USAID has given us a very strict timeline to get the vaccine in 5 years.
Cambridge officials argue that lessons learned from the several previous attempts in order to successfully launch the new project's attempts are essential.
And there have been 7 efficacy trials that have been done for HIV vaccine, and all of them have failed. They didn't produce the results we wanted. But we learned something, because in the process of doing the 7, we actually identify a group of people that were protected by the vaccine, even though the number was small. And now we are trying to figure out how can we make everybody respond the same way.
The African continent bears a share in over 70% of the global HIV prevalence in the world, which is why an African-led vaccination is crucial. A minimum invasive sampling and testing procedure has been launched by the Institute and will be utilized in the delivery of the mortuary services in Kisumu and southeastern counties.
This project, which have been supported by Bill Gates and which our team has really been working on, has been to actually have this one right at the village level. When there's a death, then immediately when the team is activated, go and take the samples. Then from that we can be able to inform not only the ministry, but we can also inform the community and even the household.
Cambridge Acting Director Professor Elijah Sengok says this unique facility is vital in the mortality studies with the eventual goal of preventing the same. And now let's look at 1 p.m. Purity Nelima.